3,700 plus cities and towns have already watched this film on the opening weekend.
It's our job to make sure that that product is reached out to the maximum audience, so they are aware. That's what marketing is.
सॉन्ग एंड डांस हमेशा से चलेगा ये देश में, क्योंकि आप देखोगे कि गणपति का त्योहार है तो लोग नाचते हैं, होली है तो लोग नाचते हैं.
I can definitely tell you some of the biggest films in Tamil are going to be on the service.
India is full of entertainment. You understand?
बिल्कुल
आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो यहाँ पे.
Making a good film is a very, very important thing, and making sure it reaches out to the right audience is also equally important.
वरुण, आपके फैंस दुनिया भर में हैं. आपने शोज आपने करे दुनिया भर में, आप शोज करते हैं. एक जो चीज खासियत जो बॉलीवुड से लोगों का जो एक कॉन्सेप्ट है वो ये है सॉन्ग एंड डांस. एंड मसाला एंटरटेनमेंट इज समथिंग दैट पीपल एसोसिएट बॉलीवुड विद. बहुत बार हम देखते हैं कि हम लोग वेस्ट को कॉपी करने के चक्कर में उनके तरीके की फिल्में बनाने की कोशिश करते हैं, बट जो एक इसेंस है बॉलीवुड का या इंडिया का, वो सॉन्ग एंड डांस का ही है. आपका जो एक्सपीरियंस है वो कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है कि उस चीज को प्रिजर्व करने के लिए, सॉन्ग एंड डांस और जो एस्केपिस्ट सिनेमा है उसको प्रिजर्व करना कितना इंपॉर्टेंट?
ये डेफिनेटली इंडिया की खासियत है. आज के टाइम में बहुत आसान है बोलना कि यार ये चीजें आज के टाइम में चलती नहीं है, क्योंकि थिएटर बंद है, सिंगल स्क्रीन्स नहीं चल रही है इतना, एंड बहुत आसान है क्योंकि दीज आर कम्युनिटी लव. बट अगर ये चीजें चल रही नहीं होती तो गाने इतने पॉपुलर क्यों हो रहे हैं, क्यों इतने लोग ये गानों के डांस कवर्स बना रहे हैं, क्यों स्ट्रीमिंग साइट्स पे गाने स्ट्रीम हो रहे हैं, क्यों इतना फैन फॉलोइंग इन चीजों का है, या डायलॉग्स का मीम्स बनते हैं. वायरलिटी उसी चीज की होती है जो मास कंजम्पशन में हो सकता है ना. तो ये फिल्म हम लोग ने बनाई इसीलिए थी, हम लोग ने बनाई मास कंजम्पशन के लिए थी. सॉन्ग एंड डांस हमेशा से चलेगा ये देश में, क्योंकि आप देखोगे कि गणपति का त्योहार है तो लोग नाचते हैं, होली है तो लोग नाचते हैं, हम बर्थडेज के दिन नाचते हैं, हम शादियों के टाइम नाचते हैं. ऐसा कोई त्योहार ही नहीं है इंडिया में जो हम नाच के नहीं मनाते नहीं है.
वो भाभी का गाना अभी भी बज रहा है शादियों में.
नहीं, बिल्कुल सारे गाने बहुत पॉपुलर हो रहे हैं. एंड so Jackie, Bashu ji always I think was very innovative and far ahead of his time in terms of marketing, the way he marketed. आपको एक जो डिजिटल मीडियम पे किस तरीके से मार्केटिंग करना है उसको आपको बहुत कमाल की आपको समझ है. कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है आपके लिए एज अ प्रोड्यूसर टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट why it's very important to tap the digital marketing?
In the 4G 5G world, right, majority of the audience mobile phone पे है या digital products पे है. तो जैसे डैड करते थे डेविड अंकल के साथ, आपने एक प्रोडक्ट बनाया है, that is the most important part to make a good product. Then the producer's job is and in this case it's Amazon and us, it's our job to make sure that that product is reached out to the maximum audience, so they are aware. That's what marketing is, and you have to move with time. So आजकल के जमाने में digital is a very, very powerful force. So we have to move with time. We have to know what technologies are there, what apps are there, how can we reach out to the maximum audience. Because अगर डेविड अंकल और वरुण ने जो प्रोडक्ट बनाया है अगर मैं ऑडियंस तक नहीं ले जा पाऊंगा तो how will they be aware? So it's making a good film is a very, very important thing, and making sure it reaches out to the right audience is also equally important. So it has to be the marriage of two. So you have to keep updating yourself कि क्या है और क्या नया कर सकते हैं. Also we all know, जनता को पता है कि हम अपना प्रोडक्ट बेच रहे हैं, लेकिन उसको किस स्टाइल में बेच रहे हैं. Is it coming across to forcing it down their throat, or is it coming across organic? Have we used some mind behind it? So these are all things which you have to keep in mind when you're promoting a film.
No, that's great. आपसे ये पूछना चाह रहा था डेविड जी कि ये भी सुनने में आया कि आप 2 और फिल्में आप रीमेक करने वाले हैं जो वाशु जी के साथ में आपने मिलकर बनाई थी. बीवी नंबर 1 बीइंग
अभी माइंड में, बट अभी कुछ नहीं. It's too early to say anything. I need little rest now. These kids are doing their job, and my wife needs me more than anyone now, for some time. And maybe I come with an original also, you never know. Working. I've already worked for a lot of years. So आगे जो भी करूँगा, time बताएगा क्या करूँगा. We'll see how it is, Let the theaters open. Theater में भी देखेंगे क्या होता है. So many things are there. And India is full of entertainment. You understand?
बिल्कुल
आप
बिल्कुल
कुछ भी कर सकते हो यहाँ पे.
नहीं एब्सोल्युटली बट बीवी नंबर वन कैन वी सी डू यू थिंक आप क्या रीमेक करना चाहेंगे बीवी नंबर वन का
Why you feeling like that should be done?
नहीं अच्छा क्लासिक फिल्म थी मतलब इट डिड सो वेल
No, I don't think
आज
so.
भी गाने
It's
उसके
too
पास
early to say about it. I would rather try a fresh film now. Definitely.
यू वुड
Now,
वांट टू
I
ट्राई
want to make a fresh, maybe a small film also at the same time.
Vijay, can we see more premieres from you guys in 2021 on Amazon? Movie premieres?
At this current stage, I don't have any new announcements that I can share with you,
Right.
but definitely a path that we will continue to take because it's the right thing to do for customers given the uncertainty around the theatrical in the theatrical environment, and it's the right thing to do for the content creators as well. So we'll continue to explore these opportunities. I can definitely tell you some of the biggest films in Tamil are going to be on the service in January. So, like I said, for us, making sure that we're entertaining the length and breadth of the country is most important. So, and films are incredibly.
I think Jan 13th, Jairam Ravi's film is coming, right?
So Jan
Masters
13th,
release.
Masters in
14th.
theaters.
No, Jan 14th, don't
Masters-
you have a film of Jairam Ravi,
Yes.
Jairam Ravi 25? No, sorry, that's releasing. That's coming on OTT. You all have Master ahead, right?
Yeah, Master is releasing in theaters on Jan 13th.
Master is releasing in
Yeah,
theater.
correct.
Master is-
Then it'll-
on Pongal.
Yeah, and then it will come to our service. We have Mara, which is another Tamil film with Maddie and Shraddha Srinath. That's early January. That's a director.
Right.
Yeah, I mean, we're going to continue, picking up as many premieres as we can. So watch this space.
All right. Okay. So
Faridun, actually, what's been really nice teaming up with the Amazon Prime Video is that, like Vijay said, that they have a variety of films and variety of genres. They have Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam films, which I've watched as well on the service, and they have some great Hindi originals and Hindi shows as well. So when a comedy film like Coolie gets added to that roster, it's amazing for the viewer, because when the viewer is even taking membership, he's not only taking membership for one film, he gets this huge variety of everything, of every different genre and everything. So that's why it made more sense for for our Coolie number one family, this franchise, to become part of the Amazon Prime Video universe, and it fit in so well.
So Vijay, as Varun has said about the membership, the subscribers part of it, how has Coolie number one impacted you guys subscriber wise?
Well, I don't have any specifics to share there, but the fact is, Faridun, that everything that we do fundamentally is to grow the service in India. As popular as the service is, we still have a long way to go. I mean, if there are 175 million households in India that are addressable, and so every single piece of content that we create, every piece of marketing that we put out is fundamentally to encourage more people to come on to the Prime membership program. And this film, without a doubt, has, like other great pieces of content, has definitely made a big contribution. Again, if I were to go back to just the geographical data I shared with you, 3,700 plus cities and towns have already watched this film on the opening weekend, right? What does that tell you? It tells you that Prime Video's access has become really far and wide. And that means our aim of bringing more people from the length and breadth of the country into the membership program is working, and obviously it's on the back of great content.
All right,
But
so
you'll have to read between the lines, because getting out information is very tough for everyone. But
155
in short,
countries,
is that it's definitely growing. That's the
155 countries. It also tells you that the sort of reach that Indian films have, which is massive. Now,
Indian mass films have.
That's right. To be honest,
that's right.
I think, again, not to sound pompous about this, I do believe that Prime Video gives access to Indian content when physical distribution, even under normal circumstances, cannot. All right, because of the sheer fact that it's coming to them day and date, it's coming to them, on a service that's convenient and easy to use, and it comes to them at 4K high quality viewing experience. The point I'm making is, if you were in a part of Europe and you did want to enjoy the latest in Hindi film in a theater, trying to find that schedule would be really hard. Versus when it comes on Prime Video, you can just, schedule whatever time that you want to schedule and enjoy it, maybe on the weekend itself. So we do play that part as well. And even though traditional distribution exists, it has its own layers of challenges. So I'd like to believe that this is going to encourage a lot of non-diaspora people to enjoy more great Indian cinema.